bag right here. And can you guys see? What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another one of my videos. In today's video we are doing another unboxing. As you can see from the title of the video, we are doing another Coach unboxing, and it is another item from the Villains collection. So I did film a huge Coach outlet Villains collection in a previous video, but there was an item that I really wanted and it was sold out, and I was really bummed, and I was like, okay, whatever, it's gone, I'm not gonna get it anymore. It's okay, it's okay. But I was stalking the Coach outlet website, and you guys, I don't know how it happened, I don't know what happened, I don't know, but this item came back in stock, and I was so happy. I was like, okay, there was only one. It said only one item in stock, and I was like, I need to buy it, I need to get it now. I purchased it. I was so happy, I was excited, okay, I'm gonna get it, whatever, and it got canceled. It got canceled, and I was like, okay, it was not meant to be. That item is no longer gonna come back ever again. I don't think so. I mean, I had gone to the store, I checked the store, they didn't have it. I was like, okay, it's long gone, I'm not gonna get it. And then I checked again, I kept checking the website, and they came back in stock, and I was like, what? Like, let me try again. But this time I told my husband, I was like, hey, so there's this item that I really want, and it is it's from the men's collection. And he's like, okay, you know, so he did it, he bought it, we got it, and you guys, it went through. His didn't get canceled, it actually went through. So here we have this item, and I am very excited to show you guys. So before we get started, please go ahead and make sure to subscribe down below if you haven't done so, so you can join the family, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Also, leave me a comment down below just to say hi or any suggestions that you might have for future videos, or anything that you might see in my videos that you want further reviews on. Also Also, don't forget to push the bell for notifications of when I post my future videos, because I do have more videos coming soon. And without further ado, let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Alright, so this is not quite an unboxing because it's in one of those brown packages, but this one was different. I was like, what? Confused, but this one came, as you can see, with this sort of so it's like a tape, but it is that brown same packaging. I did go ahead and rip the tape on there, and it was very easy to rip. That is how this one came. From the front of the packaging, which I cannot show you because it says my address, I do see that it was shipped from a store way far, like not even in this state. It's from a different state, but it was shipped from a store. I'll show you without, let me see if I can show you. Can I show you? Can I show you? Yeah, I think I can. Alright, so real quick, when it comes like that with this sort of plastic here, and like a packaging slip, it most likely came from a store. That is what I've noticed. When it comes like that, it comes from a store. So I already went ahead and opened it for you, as you can see from here. And oh, look at that, it comes with bubble wrapping inside. All right, so let's go ahead and see what is inside this bag right here. And can you guys see? Oh my gosh. And yes, it is from a store, because as you can see, it actually did come from a store, because it is packaged in their tissue paper that they have, and look, they did such a beautiful job. This actually has been the best wrapping that they've done from a store ever, and they even gave me a little sticker. I mean, even over here, look, like they wrapped it like a Christmas present. I mean, that is awesome. So let's go ahead and open it up, and as you can see, the packaging on there, it does have the horse and carriage. I'm not sure if you will be able to see that on camera. So let's go ahead and open it up. You guys, this is like early Christmas. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Go ahead and open it. No. So the unfortunate part about ordering and it not coming from the warehouse, the items might not be in pristine condition, and as I am seeing right now, it is not. So this is what the paper here looks like. I'm trying to see if I can show you guys the horse and carriage moment here, but I don't know, it probably doesn't show. Anyways, you guys don't even care to see that. You're like, girl, show me the item, show me the money. Okay. All right, so you guys, I'm kind of bummed because I already see the back of it. I'm barely seeing the back because that's how I opened it, and it's like really scratched. All right, anyways, so this is what the bag looks like. And as I said earlier, it is from the men's section, and this is this beautiful black, very, very smooth leather. But as you can see, there is a couple of scratches on it. It is a very soft leather, so it is, you know, gonna happen because it is a very soft leather. I don't know if it was a return, maybe it was, but it does have a couple of scratches on there, as you can see. Do you see that? And are you guys ready to see the front? I gotta do this because it's like, you know, it's like a reveal. All right, so wow, you guys, this is gorgeous. Absolutely love it. I love the poison apple here. I love the Cruella patch. I love Miss Ursula patch. This really awesome patch here that says villains. I absolutely love the dark black color of it. Who cares if it's from the men's department? We can also rock these just as they can rock ours from the women's collection. Like, they shouldn't even have women's and men's. They should just all around, whoever wants it, like, you know. So but I think it's absolutely beautiful because it is in this black color, and then you have here the Coach signature print in that gray black color. It is so gorgeous. Here you have the hang tag, and then you guys, the hardware. Do you see that? It is this gunmetal hardware, very, very reminiscent of the pewter hardware from retail. Absolutely gorgeous. This is gorgeous. I love the detail of the stitching here, and I love how this leather is super soft, but then you have this, you know, sort of pouch in the front that is canvas material. And then you have here the D-rings because it is a crossbody bag. So this one doesn't have any handles or anything because it is a crossbody bag. So let's go ahead and open it up because I'm assuming the straps are inside, because that was literally how it came. So let's go ahead and open it up. And yep, so the strap is inside. So this is what the interior looks like. It is in this beautiful, rich wine color, almost I want to say it's the ox blood color. You have here the Coach story patch, then you have the silica gel packets on there. Yeah, there's another one. Absolutely beautiful. It is so gorgeous, like the contrast of the bag, everything being black and dark, but then you have that really beautiful pop of color in the interior fabric lining. I think it's gorgeous. And then you guys, this front pouch also opens up. So this one opens up and it also has that same color fabric lining. And you guys, the zippers are in that dark gunmetal hardware, as well as this one right here. And that is what the front looks like. This is the bottom of the bag, and with that beautiful stitching, and there's something there, as you can see. And that is what happens when the bags don't come from the factory. You're gonna see little dings and little scratches here and there, sometimes, not all the time. So then this is what the side here looks like, and then this side right here. So there is no tag, so it must have been a return. Let me see what the receipt says. Okay, so the receipt gives me the item number, which is a style number. So the style number is CC094, and it is called the Holden Crossbody with Disney print. That's all it really says. So I got this bag for $130 with 74 cents, like the fabric, but this is 3D. And this one as well, and this one as well. Not this one, but they didn't do the glitter on them, so these don't have any glitter, but they are like sort of a 3D kind of moment. I don't know if you will be able to see, probably not, because yeah, it's not, but yeah, it is so gorgeous. All right, are you guys ready? The strap. I am excited because this one came with a strap, and the strap is absolutely gorgeous. All right, so here is the strap. The strap also has this beautiful rich black color. It has leather piece here with that white stitching. It has the dark hardware, and you guys, this is what I love about this strap. Oh my gosh. So this strap comes with this little coin pouch, and I mean, you can detach it or attach it, whatever you would like. And you guys, the coin pouch has the evil queen. It is absolutely gorgeous. It is so cute. Let's go ahead and open it up. Fabric lining inside, and you have the little Coach Story patch on there, and then you have the dark hardware. It's not that easy to see inside because it is a very tiny little pocket in there, but there you go. That is what the inside looks like. So this is what this bag here looks like. I've attached the strap. Absolutely gorgeous, right? It is so awesome. It is freaking awesome. Put it on. You guys, this looks so cute. All right, so I love this. I love that you can attach the little coin pouch. Do you guys see that? It is so gorgeous. That the men's department, they're killing it. A lot of the times that they come out with items at the men's department, I'm always like, I think I want that. They look really nice. I absolutely love the dark moment here. Like, it's just so nice. Love it, love it. All right, let's go ahead and do a close-up. Alright guys, absolutely gorgeous. I think it's so freaking cool. I think it looks so cool in this dark black color. Like, they need to come out with things like this in the women's department, because I would buy it. This beautiful dark colors too. This dark black, it just looks so edgy. Alright guys, that was it. That was everything for this video. I was very excited to show you this item because it was sold out. I tried to get it twice and it was sold out, and then my husband was lucky enough for his order to go through. And what is going on with my hair? So yeah, his order went through, and here we have this bag, and he could wear it, I could wear it. It's pretty cool. Alright you guys, so that was it. That was everything for today's video. If you guys did like my video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below so you can join the family, and don't forget to push the bell for notifications of when I post my future videos, because I do have more. And with that said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.